So guys, here you can see one more video me came out the Django, and in today's Django video, in the deploy Django video, I'm telling you about the what to update the project if we don't know how to update the project in Django. Django. So in today's video, your whole concept will be clear about it. So see the video start to it, and please, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and or do not forget to all the notification bell also. So now without wasting your any time, let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's Django video, I am telling about how to update the project. This is a very small video because I am making the video in the parts, and this video is about how to update the project. This is a very simple video. Today's video there is not a very rocket science. And today's video I am just telling you how to update the project. So let's get started. Deploy and changes. Any changes you do with application locally on your own computer is not visible on your deployed version. Means that any changes you do with the application locally, means like we create, like in the previous video we create a zip file. In the zip file, if you change any changes you do it with the application, you will be do it with a locally on your own computer. It's not visible on your deployed version. Like previous video I told you about how to deploy the version using the elastic beanstalk. But when you doing the changes with the application, you will locally on your own computer, but it's not visible on the deployed version. So how to visible it? Let me tell you. The main topic is that. So if you make a change, and you want it to be visible on your deployed version, so how you can do? You can have to upload a new zip file. What? You can upload the new zip file. If you don't know how to create upload the new zip file, and how to create a zip file, I have already told you that. Like in the previous video, I told you about the previous video, I told you about how to create a zip file. So go and see that video. In the 3 minutes, I have told you how to create a zip file. To wrap your project into a .zip file, follow the steps described in the create.zip file chapter. I have given you the link in the description. Start by selecting the relevant files and folders of your project. If you have the same project as we have in our tutorial, you should select the highlighted files in the example below. You select these highlighted files in the example below. Okay, these highlighted files. .eb extensions, members, my tennis club, and product files, and manage.py and requirement. And then right click and choose to create a .zip file. How to create it? Let me tell you. First of all, go on your here, go and let me create one Django file. Okay, when I open my Django file, so I am telling you how to create a zip file. I am giving you just example. So now when it has been opened, so I am selecting these files. So how to select it? Okay, then right click, and then when you right click, okay, why it is selecting these things? Right click here and click on the download as zip. Okay, click here, then it will be downloaded and it will be made it in the zip file. Okay, like that you will make your zip file. Okay, write that, open two files. Okay, like that you can do it and you will be build it. When I make one new folder, add folder, Ryan, and I am making this folder out of this. And now right click and then you will be click onto here and then download as zip, then it will be download as zip. Okay, easily as this is how you can create it. Now you have .zip file containing the changes and you can upload it on the elastic beanstalk. Like this is one zip file has been created. Upload to elastic beanstalk, log in into your Amazon Web Services account and find your project under the elastic beanstalk application. If you don't know how to log in it and how you can make it, in the previous videos I have already told you that. Here is this one diagram. Here we open the elastic beanstalk. Okay, here you can see it. Now come down, click the upload and deploy the button. Click the upload and deploy the button. How you can click here. Let me show you where. Click this upload and deploy the button, then it will be deployed. Okay. Choose .zip file. Click the choose file button to upload the zip file you have just created. Means that choose click to the choose file, then click on the .zip file you have just created. Okay, deploy, click the deploy button, click this deploy button after filling this whole thing. Okay, then the interface will be look like this when you click on the deploy. Here you can see it. When you when your zip file has been come, so this type of an interface has been came. Then click on the deploy button. Then it will be uploaded. That is, your project is updated with all new changes. Then when you click it onto the deploy this type, then your project is updated with all the new changes. What you will do, watch what you will do. Note that follow these steps every time you want to update your project. Follow these steps every time every time you want to update your project. Okay. So here you can see in today's video, in the very small video, because there is not in today's video there is not any rocket science, because in the previous videos I have already told you that. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, please like this video, share and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to all the notification bell also. So in our future videos, so meet you next class, next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.